What's up, YouTube? I started opening this blaster box. I've got one pack into it and I thought I'd finish up and make a video. It's got 10 packs per box and 10 cards per pack. Let's go a quick recap of what got in the first. Nothing major. I'm not going to name off all these players. Just going to show them off. There's been a million videos of this stuff. I don't even know why I bought this. Normally don't buy old boxes, but whatever. I was in the middle of opening this pack when I decided to do this. Okay, Mr. Nola Marlin. Yeah. Mr. Simmons, former Brave. Mr. Stanton, MVP. Hopefully get something out of. Alright, hope everyone's having a good day. Alright, Mike. Future Stars. Fielding Award. There's one of those Chris Bryant's cards. Alright. Let's see. Alright, next. I'm looking forward to baseball season this year, even though I still think the Braves are a year away before they do anything. Let's see how it's. Let's see here. There's another one of those Chris Bryant cards. That crap. Daniel Murphy. Alright. Guess we're moving on to the next one. Let's see. I'm making a mess. Gotta get this room down here. We just moved in here about 6 months ago. It's gonna be my little area to put all my crap. Kershaw. I got a big ass server on here. I'll show you a glimpse of that in just a second. It's been sitting here and I haven't done anything with it. Just go through these cards real quick. I still gotta put some drywall up. All the fun stuff. The family will be out. When school's out, I'll finish all that crap up. Still a couple months away. Okay, Martin Prados. There we go. Oh, we got that. Alright, Mr. Bryant. That's cool. Red Sox. Alright. Matt Adams. Markakis. Oh, sweet. There's one of those old foil cards. Stanton. Bing. I got some cards of his coming in. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'll show them off when they come in. I think he's going to have a pretty good year at Yankee Stadium. Or him and Judge are tearing it up over there. Let's see, y'all. Yes, yeah. There's Mr. Judge, speak of the devil. There's the other one. Father's Day card. Another Chris Bryant. Carlos Gonzalez. Not bad. I don't think it's worth the money, but he's I don't know, I guess it is. Like a couple, if you average it out, so a couple dollars a pack. Let's see, y'all. Trey. Bautista. One last pack, then the let's see, this little patch card they got in here. Come on, something. Jason, where there's another one of those. Dominic Smith. Don't know him. Broxton, Springer, Lucky. Alright, let's see. See what we get, y'all. Hosea Brave. It's kind of neat. Wished it was somebody that I wanted, but that's okay. Quick glance. There's a big pile of crap. There's the server. Added memory. I'm gonna make it put VMware and all that good stuff. Do some lab work down here. Practice some stuff. Alright. I guess that's it. I'll do them all day. I just want to keep it separate from this little box break here. Alright guys, I'll talk with you later.